Hi, welcome to this video. How to turn off voice control on iPhone. To turn off voice control completely on your iPhone, go to Settings, Accessibility, find Voice Control here. Now all you gotta do is just turn it off if you already turn it on. In my case, I haven't set up a voice control, but in your case, you can find the toggle switch to turn off the voice control position. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.